Good morning, Fly Babies. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Monday. I'm recording from beautiful Beach Mountain, North Carolina on vacation, and I just wanted to keep in touch with you, so when you see these, they'll be after I'm already home, but I'm recording them while I'm here in advance, so I'll have something for you, and I won't have to rush to make videos when I get home. Okay. Today, as I said, is Monday. We have a 3-layer cake. Our first layer is our 5 routines. So we're going to do our morning routine, which means we get up before the family and we take care of ourselves. We swish and swipe the toilet and the sink. We make our bed. We empty the dishwasher. You know, we're dressed. It's a very simple procedure. It takes about 30 minutes. If you're not bathing at night or showering at night, you're going to have to add that time in the morning. Make it quick. You know, no need to linger. We have things to do. Let's get the day going. Okay. The second layer of our cake today is our weekly home blessing hour. So we're going to do our vacuuming, our mopping. Those are the 2 big girl jobs. We're going to do our dusting, our emptying the garbage, our wiping the our wiping the glass, and we're also going to strip the bed today and wash our sheets. So that's what we're doing. It doesn't take long. Look at it as a pleasure. Take care of your home. Taking care of your home, doing these little blessings, blessing your family is a pleasure. And you know what? It's so pleasurable to have it done. Once it's done, you'll feel so much better. Okay, and then the third part of our day today, the third part of our 3-layer cake is our zone, and today we are in zone 3, the bathroom, and one other room. So I want you to go into that main bathroom and see what one thing you needed to do. Now, in reality, I would have preferred that you had planned this ahead of schedule, maybe on Sunday, that today is zone 3. And we're going to do something in the bathroom and something in that other room, whatever that other room is to you. Okay, so let's say that you chose the bathroom and you have to really scrub down the shower stall. Get it done. You know what? It's part of keeping your home wonderful so that when you're in the shower, it's sparkling and clean. And then you're going to keep it clean on a regular basis, on a daily basis. In my opinion, I prefer using something from Grove Collaborative. It's a daily spray, and it's awesome. It keeps it really nice and clean. So that's my suggestion for today. If you need to know about Grove Collaborative, there's a link below. And let's see, I'm going to make it short and sweet because I want to run down the mountain and see what's going on over here. We don't have quite the color that we thought we would get yet, but we are looking to see that later this week. So as I continue to record for you, we should have more color. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a picture of what it looks like here. This is the morning on the mountain. This is the view from our balcony. And you can see a little color starting to happen. Yep. So it's quite lovely. The sunset's right there. So that's it for me today. I want you to remember that you are beautiful.